Hi, welcome from the floor at LDI 2023 here in beautiful downtown Las Vegas. My name is Pat O'Keefe and I'm the Market Manager Entertainment for LEX Products. We're here to introduce the TRUE1 Trelco. It's our 1-in, 3-out molded problem solver. We use authentic Neutrik parts with a TRUE1 TOP inlet and 3 Neutrik TRUE1 TOP outlets. Capable of supporting 120 volt and 208 volts at 20 amps, this little problem solver is perfect for truss mounting or batten mounting. Hence the reason why there's a little ridge in the bottom. It conforms easily to the pipes. We've also put in 2 ridges for tie line or tie wraps to secure it to those battens or truss. And because it's curved, they stack really, really nicely. LEX Products, we deliver the power.